Hello, Ryan Williams here with Remax in the beautiful Comox Valley, British Columbia, and this is a market update for February 2023. Any stats that we'll be discussing will be from January, and here they are, the numbers, the stats, the charts, the analytics. But before we get into that, what's been new since our last update in January? Biggest real estate news has been obviously the increasing of the interest rates. Well, luckily we only saw 0.25% in January, which was lower than expected. So I think there's some positivity there in the market for buyers. The good news is interest rates aren't going to go up much more, and sellers, the rising interest rates slowing down will mean that the dropping in the sale prices should level off. But what are we seeing around British Columbia right now? So January 2023, there were 30,047 residential sales. That's down 50% from January 2022. The average sale price was $872,000, which is 16% less than it was in January 2022. And the volume dollars of sales is down 58%. That's for British Columbia as a whole. There were 22,000 active listings in January, which is still below historic norms. So now on to the analytics, the charts, the numbers. Here we go. So January 2023 compared to January 2022, we saw 20% less sales of single family homes, but really that was 31 this year compared to 39 last year. So 8 sales difference, not a huge deal. From a numbers point of view, one of the biggest changes is obviously the sale price. Last year, the average sale price in January was $896,000. This year was $724,000, so down 19%. And down 35% from May's high. May 2022 was $980,000. So the average sale price right now is, of January this year, was down 35% compared to May of last year. Sale price to list price, 96% this year compared to 104% last year. So $1 million home was getting $1,040,000 last year. This year they're getting $960,000. Active listings, 135 on the market in January compared to 47 of last year. If we look at the 12 months leading up to this January compared to the 12 months leading up to last January, the average sale price is still 9% higher. Last year was 808, this year is 881. So again, that's the average sale price of all the homes leading up to this January compared to all the homes leading up to last January for 12 months. Under the condo market, we were down 15% in sales. Again, 11 sales compared to 15, not a big difference. Average sale price, didn't see so much of a difference. We actually saw an increase compared to January of last year. Last year was $391,000 compared to $434,000 this year. And active listings, 47 this year compared to 13 last year. And for patio homes and townhouses, units sold were down 40%, but again, that's 12 this year compared to 20 last year. And then the average sale price this year was down a little bit, $562,000 this year compared to $605 of last year. The sale price, the list price, 98% this year compared to 104% last year. Days to sell, 81 this year compared to 23 last year. And active listings for patio homes or townhouses was 51 this year compared to 23 last year. So there you have it, folks. Those are the numbers, the stats for January 2023. Enjoy the rest of February, and we'll see you in March. Talk to you soon.